Somebody come, KT 你来试吧，你把手放这儿，你在我后面。So when we are ready here, and my leg will always, you don't know it, but you're all doing it. It's always here. And you think you're doing, it's here, but it only goes down. So, Alex, come feel. Here. So this is here. When I use my leg, can you feel that? You all have power. I only go down. You see here, there's absolutely nothing. So this is called to sink your energy to the bottom. Every time we move, we always have this here. This is wrong. It's only here. Stand here. Give me that hand. Give me your hand. No. Don't fight. Relax. 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 Give me that hand. Move your body so you can feel me. Yeah, touch here and touch here. We all have. You go lower, so don't block me. Go squat down. Okay. Feel. We all have certain. But it's here. James, you want to feel? I'll go this way. You can just stand in front. Put your hands here. Here. Yeah. When I do this here, we always have this here. But can you feel what I'm doing? Straight down. There's no move. Because there's a little bit of move, you become stiff. I want you to be stiff, not myself. So if I have that tendency, you just follow me like this, a little bit higher. Can you see that? Yeah. But when I do it, there is nothing here. So that leg is very, very difficult. Anything that has to do with going down is outside of human feeling. We are only capable of feeling here. We don't have this feeling. Because there's no human activity that requires that, except Tai Chi. Right? Because if there is no human activity, you never had that experience. The only thing is a baby refusing to be picked up. Can you see? It's like this. But we pretend we're not like that anymore. You see?
Front?
Yeah, both for front, yeah. We all have certain movements. But the baby will just go down. It will just go down. And because we react to it. So do you know what that is? I'm using you because I think you are young and strong. So go there, you see, watch, okay? Go sideways. Yeah. So Michael, feel my chest and back. Stand here. And who else? Who wants to feel? Stand here, go lower, feel my dantian and mingmen. The lower. So it's not power, it's sequence. When you go down like a baby, we all go like this. It's actually trapped. It's actually here. So did you feel?
Yes, I was inside of you.
You feel here and here. You think you saw, sure. You think you saw this here. It's not here. It's the bottom is already gone. You feel the difference? And so this energy, it's called lo sha. It's actually similar to quicksand. The quicksand does not push you down. It pulls you from the bottom. How does it pull? It creates a differential. The sand on top, close to your body, is more compact. The sand below is a tunnel. And that tunnel creates a differential in weight. And the bottom, whenever it's soft and moving fast, actually creates power. So the power is here. Your own power is pulling you down. Now, engineer. One hand here. Yeah. So we always have this move. But can you feel that?
Yeah.
Yeah, you feel. And here. So this is fairly normal. But can you feel that here?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's there. So this is number one. Once you understand the sequence, there is something else, which this is only a technique. The trick, the one I always say you're not getting it, is that there is a ratio of when this downward move is perfect, then you can push. Because if you don't push, it's no good. So now you feel here. Yeah. Now watch. This is a push too early. This is a push too late. I have no power. It's just this, and I got power. And that place is like that breaking thing, the two things, happens in a split second. Once you miss it, it's another fighting. Too early, it's this fighting. After that, it's that fighting, but you're fighting. On that spot, there's no fighting.